What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to UrbanPointFilms. Welcome back to the TRAINRIDE Series. We're here in Nottingham today to take a little journey on the NET, Nottingham Express Transit, which is the tram system here in Nottingham. Got to say, a lot more modern than Sheffield. Sheffield's a bit out of date, apart from the tram train. But yeah, here in Nottingham today, we're going to take a ride on one of these. Although I'm going to have a nip to the loo first if they've got one here. Too much information. But yeah, we're going to take a ride on one of these lovely trams here, the Bombardier trams, I believe they are, and the CF Airbus. Quite modern. They use these ones in Spain. So yeah, enjoy the video, everybody. Okay, so we've got a tram ticket. Network day. For all stops, unlimited travel. End of service. So it says last service there, so I'm not sure. I thought they were running every... I don't know whether Google Maps was wrong, but that's unusual.
I've never seen the little door thing.
Okay, we're on board. Nottingham trams.
This tram is for Hucknall.
Hey! If that football comes over into my garden again, I'll bust it with a fucking penknife!
There we go.
The next stop is Inham Road.
Inham Road. Okay, Inham Road. I've been on these before. Inham Road. And there's the driver cab over there. Route map of the tram from Chilwell Road. That's Chilwell Road. It goes down Beeston Centre, University.
This is Chilwell Road. This tram is for Hucknall.
Nottingham
The next stop is
Centre.
Beeston Centre.
Nottingham Trent University. And it goes down towards Toton Lane at 4:41, so we're literally an hour from the final stop on this line.
This tram is for Hucknall. The next stop is Beeston Centre. This tram is for Hucknall.
Not a lot.
The next stop is Middle Street.
Right with that? No, I can't. I keep napping with my contact lenses.
It's not bad. I keep just falling asleep.
Yeah, I love sleeping.
But then I wake up at like 4 in the morning. I'm like, when is it? Oh, like,
I feel like I thought I'd be up for longer, but I wasn't. I had that coffee, and it was quite a strong one, and I was like, this will keep me going, and it just didn't. I just went straight to sleep.
coffee doesn't. People overrate how like.
How much it affects you, it doesn't affect you at all.
Literally, it's just like it's just a drink.
I wish it did though.
Cool. Instead of coffee, just start doing cocaine or something.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Do you know what is? Yeah, also, and people are like, oh, I'll put an energy, that will keep me going. It doesn't affect you.
Just makes you like shit. So.
It makes you feel slightly anxious. That's all it does to me. It makes me feel a little bit anxious.
It makes you need the toilet slightly more often.
I don't think it does.
That's right. You've not seen the in between us when Will was in the exam.
Yeah, but I do.
The Nottingham Express Transit, or NET, NET, is a 32-kilometre long, 20-mile tram system in Nottingham, England. The system opened to the public on the 9th of March 2004, and a second phase that more than doubled the size of the total system opened on the 25th of August 2015, having been initially planned to open 2 years earlier. The network is operated and maintained by Nottingham Trams Limited on behalf of the Tramlink Nottingham Consortium. It was opened by Arrow Light Rail, another consortium, on the 9th of March 2004 until the 16th of December 2011. Arrow Light Rail had been contracted to operate the system for 30 years. The addition of lines to the system led to retendering. Nottingham and the surrounding urban area is the UK's 7th largest and 3rd fast growing urban area. Traditionally, Nottingham's economy was to a large extent based on manufacturing and coal mining, and in the second half of the 20th century, the area was affected by the decline of these industries. High population density, a road system constrained by crossings of the River Trent, and a concentration of retail and entertainment outlets in the city centre led to road congestion and high bus usage. In the late 1980s, Nottingham City Council and Nottinghamshire County Council identified the possibility of using a modern tramway as means of stimulating urban renewal, as well as tackling road congestion. In 1998, the Minister of State for Transport, John Reid, confirmed the availability of £167 million funding for a new tram system, to be known as the Nottingham Express Transit, to run between Nottingham and Hucknall. In March 2000, the joint promoters Nottingham City Council and Nottinghamshire County Council awarded a 30-year private finance initiative concession to Arrow Light Rail Limited Consortium, with the responsibility for the design, funding, building, operation and maintenance of the line. The consortium was made up of Adtrans, later subsumed into Bombardier Transportation, who were responsible for the trams, Carillion, who were responsible for the infrastructure, Transdev and Nottingham City Transport. As built, the system was 14 kilometres, 8.7 miles long and served 23 tram stops. Construction costs a total of £200 million, a sum equivalent to £309 million at 2019 prices. The current network of the Nottingham trams consists of 2 lines that cross the city, running together on a common section for the middle part of their journey, including the city centre section. Line 1 runs between Toton Lane and Hucknall and features a total of 33 or 34 tram stops, depending on direction, and has a journey time throughout of 62 minutes. Line 2 runs between Clifton and Phoenix Park, features 27 or 28 tram stops depending on direction, and has a journey time of throughout of 47 minutes. The system has a total length of 32 kilometres 20 miles. Trams on each line run at frequencies that vary between 4 and 8 trams per hour, depending on the day and time of day. These services combine to provide up to 16 trams per hour on the common section. Okay, now coming into Nottingham Station. On the approach.
I think I'm built for running it.
Okay, so we're now coming into Nottingham Station, right up the bridge over it.
My legs are that long. When you hits it, like on the floor.
There it is.
Yeah.
Getting off here, guys. Oh, sorry. There we go, Nottingham Station, guys. There's the tram. We're just going to get a shot of the tram, actually. It's quite busy today. Get it, the tram going away. Might as well. Get a shot of the tram going. In trams to Clifton. So we're going to have a look at Nottingham Station first. Head down. See if we can do a bit of spotting down here. See if we can do a bit of spotting at Nottingham Station. I think there's ticket barriers though, so we might have to see if we can get a platform ticket at Nottingham, since I believe there is ticket barriers here. But I just want to do a bit of general spotting as well, because we've got the EMR Intercity. I forgot the name of the units now, but I'm going to get some pictures of those units as well down at Nottingham Station. Quite a beautiful station indeed. So this is Nottingham. There's a micro pub as well. Got car rental. Got all the trains up there as well. Quite a large station. Just making Nottingham our little mission today. Where's that going? It's going to Skegness, that one is. Got a Skeggy train. I believe there's ticket barriers. There is ticket barriers. I'm just wondering whether they got platform tickets. I'll have a look on the machines. No, they've got platform tickets. You're right there. Oh yeah. You don't have platform tickets. You don't sell platform tickets to this station, do you? You don't sell platform tickets to this station.
No, mate, no.
You don't. That's all right.
I'll let you through. What are you going through for?
I'll just do a bit of spotting.
Yeah,
cheers, mate.
Are you just taking photos for personal use?
Yeah, just for personal use.
1617 Northern service to Leeds via Barnsley. Warrington Central, Widnes, Hunts Cross, Liverpool South Parkway, and Liverpool Prime Street. This train is full of 4 coaches. There are no vacancies available.
Good. 5 Town. Phoenix. Okay, so we're now on our way back to Toton Lane now. Hope you all enjoyed this video. This has been the Nottingham Express Transit, Nottingham Trams. Thanks for watching, guys.
The next stop is Lace Market for the National Ice Centre, Nottingham Road, Royal Shopping Centre.
You kind of start doing that. Go back to live.